Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Akshatha's Life. Let's learn it my way. Today we are going to learn how to decorate our home using bottles that are lying around our home. So let's see what are the things that we need. Thread, bottle, glue, stickers, flower cutouts. So first take a bottle. Here we are using two kinds of thread. One is brown and one is white. We are going to wrap the brown in the top and the bottom, whereas we are going to wrap the white in the middle. So let's start wrapping.
One eternity later.
Now I have finished wrapping the bottle. Let's decorate the bottle now. Here I have a few cutouts of some flowers. So let's stick it to the bottle.
A few moments later.
So guys, now our bottle is ready. I hope you liked this video. If you like, share, comment and also subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are new, and also hit the bell icon so that you get many notifications about my video. So until next time, it's bye from Akshatha.